Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel where we share all the best tips and tricks to help you feel and look your absolute best. Today, we're talking about something that we all want: clear, glowing skin. And the best part, we're going to be sharing some natural remedies that are easy to incorporate into your everyday routine. But first, did you know that our skin is the largest organ in our body? Yup, you heard that right. And just like any other organ, it needs care and attention to keep it healthy and happy. So, let's dive into some of the best natural remedies for clear skin. First up, we have a classic: drinking water. Keeping hydrated is key to achieving clear, healthy-looking skin. Water helps to flush out toxins from the body, which can lead to acne and other skin issues. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and you'll start seeing a difference in your skin in no time. Another great natural remedy for clear skin is incorporating more fruits and veggies into your diet. Foods like spinach, avocado, and berries are loaded with antioxidants that help to fight against free radicals that can damage your skin. Plus, they are packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for keeping your skin looking its best. Next up, we have one of my personal favorites: aloe vera. Not only is aloe vera great for soothing sunburns, but it's also amazing for your skin in general. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and irritation, and it's packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy-looking skin. You can apply aloe vera gel directly to your skin or look for skincare products that contain aloe vera. Last but not least, we have green tea. Not only is green tea great for boosting your metabolism and helping with weight loss, but it's also amazing for your skin. It's loaded with antioxidants that can help to fight against free radicals, and it's also been shown to help reduce inflammation in the skin. You can drink green tea or look for skincare products that contain green tea extract. So there you have it, folks, some of the best natural remedies for clear, healthy-looking skin. Remember, taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With a few simple changes to your diet and skincare routine, you can achieve the clear, glowing skin you've always wanted. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to look and feel your best.